now budget for success. Woo! And today we've got good vibes only, good vibes only. Come on, baby, come on. We've got good vibes only. We only have good vibes. Yes! Woo! Today we have good vibes because we are going to retire 2 of our savings binders. Yes, it's going to be sad to say goodbye, but these 2 binders, it's time. It's time to retire them. So let's get started. Okay. So let's see how much money we have to work with in order to retire these binders. So we have 50, 100. Well, let me do it my way. 5, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, half 22, half 23, half 24, half 25, half 26, half 27, half. So that's 275, 277, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95. So I believe that's 295. I could be wrong, but it'll get us, it's somewhere in the ballpark. Somewhere in the ballpark. Here's what I know is I hope it's enough money. Can you see it? I hope it's enough money because I really have to say goodbye to some of these binders. So one savings challenge I'm going to say goodbye to. We have played it one away during our savings challenge days. And so I think I want to bring out a new game now. So this is from Saving with Shalonda. Ooh, 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 ooh. Saving with Shalonda. So I need the money, really. I'm be honest. I need this money. So we're going to pull it. $55, $57, $58 is being pulled for one away. One away. So this was a fun game. You would pull a card, and then if it was one away, you didn't have to save. But if it wasn't, you had to save money. All right. So the next binder we're going to retire is our spring binder that I turned to a summer binder. But now, y'all, it's just time. It's what are we going to be? Swimmers, fall, whatever. It's just time. So some of these savings challenges I literally had just started. In fact, I worked on it a little bit offline. And so anyway, we're going to have to add a lot of money to close these out. So this one right here has $8, but it's a $50 savings challenge. So we can put the 5, the 2, and the 1 back and put a 50. And this is Tiny Budget. This dog is the cutest. He is. Okay, and I'm a ring a bell. Woo! But this is for all the savings challenges, or I'll be ringing all day because I am closing this out. It is being closed out. So there's $50 being closed out. Okay. The next savings challenge is this very cute puppy challenge. It hung around for a long time. This is from the Almost Organized Owl. It is just the cutest. And so it saves $40. So we can put these 2s back and grab this 20. And so now we have $40. So we can close this savings challenge. And let's mark these $2 strawberries off. It's like a perfect match. Cute puppies, cupcakes, and strawberries. I mean, how cute is that? You couldn't ask for anything cuter. This savings challenge never really got to see the light of day. This is my own challenge. So it saves $60. I only saved $5, but guess what? We're going to add 60 to it. And I'm going to have to bring this back. This is my Wookiee savings challenge. The beach. Wookiee at the beach. I'll save the envelope. But here we go. So now it has $60. Woo! All right. So we are closing that out. The next savings challenge we're closing out is Craft Co. Budgets. So we did a few rounds of this one. We saved $14. It saves a total of $42. And so we can put the $2 back and add, what do we have? 30, 40. So $42. And we will call this complete. This savings challenge is complete. I never did start this one. But this one was dedicated to the nightlife. It was $60. I finished it offline. I had like $5 to add to it. And one day I had some money. So I just put the money in and finished it. So that is $60. See? 50, 60 $60. And the last challenge is the Crafty Saver. And so we were doing pretty good on this. We had saved $23. but it saves a total of $42. And so we got 20, 30, $42. So we got 42 bucks, and we can color these in. This is the Crafty Saver. These are really cute hummingbirds, and I think I have a few more challenges that look like this, so I'll probably put it in a different savings binder. Okay, so we got 20, 30, 42. $42. All right. There. We have closed the spring summer binder. It is done. We are done with our fun. That money is going to the bank. And now for the final savings challenge binder that I am going to close out, that I am very sad about. I'm so sad to say goodbye to my ladybugs, but we have had a good run with this ladybug savings binder. We have, but it is time. It is time. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. All right, so we have $80, but we need $114. Ooh, let's see, are we gonna make it, huh? I don't know, y'all, if we gonna make it. Oh, I know what it was. This money right here, I was double dipping. So one away, I'm supposed to use one away to finish this. Yeah, I'm double dipping, and it's okay. All right, so I need $114. So here's 100, put this 20 back, 10, 114. Yes, y'all, I realized I had to double dip. That's why I closed that savings challenge out, was so that I could use it to close these out. All right, so here we go. We've got $110, $12, $14. There we go. So just so you know, all this money is going for a vacation expense that I have. I choose to spend this money on my vacation. It's my choice. I could, save, but I already saved. I saved this money, so I want to use this on vacation, but I'm doing it as a proactive choice. I'm deciding that that's where this money is going. Once you save it, you get to spend it on how you want to spend it, and that's my choice. So this one right here is for $138. Let's see how much we have saved. So we have 100. So all we need is 20, 35, 37, 38. So 120, 35, 37, 38. $138. And my queen, I'm really sad to say goodbye to these beautiful ladybugs, but they helped me save a lot of money, and for that I am thankful. Whoops, this goes in here. All right, this is a scratch off. I think we're gonna save this because I don't know how much this is for. Let's see if I have some extra money in the end. So this is supposed to be $80. So 37, is that right? 37, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 37. Let's see if this is now 80. 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Nope. 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. All I needed was $80. 50, 70. No, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Wow. That was something else. So we got $80 there. Okay. All right. There we go. I'm excited. We are closing these out, moving on. I really do have a lot of savings binders, and it's time to kind of condense, not have so many savings challenges and binders, because if I had fewer, I could close it out. This I'm going to save because I'm going to scratch this, but I'll do it another time. All right, and so moving on to this cutie patootie, it's supposed to save $80, so that's 9, and 11 is 20. So all I need is 20. 5, 10, 15, 20. So there we go. 5, 6, half 7, half 8. $80 for this scratch off. This is official budgets. So this, oh, let's just use a pink one. All right, there we go. And now we'll see if we have money left for that. This savings challenge is mine. You can find it in my Etsy shop, and it is complete. This is another one that I had some extra money and I finished it offline. So it saves $45, and here is $45. So we'll put that in here. And we can just put 45. Okay, so that's done. I think we're gonna have quite a bit of money left. I only have one challenge left. And that, oh, needs quite a bit though. So let's say $68. So 68, let's see. So 2, 4, half, 5, half, 6, half. Okay, so this would be it. 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 67, 68. $68. This is a cute one from the Budgeting Butterfly. This whole book is from the Budgeting Butterfly. All right, so we are done. That one is complete. And now we still have money left. So let's scratch this. So this was $10. Here. So how much do we have left here? We have half, one, half. So that's 15, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Woo! So we have an extra $39. That's good. So there's $39. And then I just want to see how much we have saved in all of these challenges. So we got $10 plus 68 plus 45 plus 80 plus 80 plus 42 plus 60 plus 42 plus 60 plus 40 plus 50, and then this 138 plus 114. So $829 is how much we have saved. So I brought $290 to the table. I didn't spend all $290 because I guess this was almost 30 left. So I brought $260 to the table, but using $260, I finished all these savings challenges, and now I have $829. So all this money was just sitting in a binder, just sitting. So now it's going to the banky. And some of it may get allocated into sinking funds. But I do, like I said, I have some vacation expense that I need to pay. And so some of this money by default will go to vacation, which then vacation will get spent. That's how we do it. This is how we do it. Woo! All right, guys, that's it. That's my fun. So I guess the only thought I have for you is take an inventory of all of your savings challenges. It's fun to have a lot of challenges because it helps you save money, and before you know it, you don't even realize how much you have saved. But I also am a believer that the more money you can get into the bank, the more interest and passive income you can earn. And so, you know, it's great to have, I think I have like 15 binders, but at some point you've just got to go, and you may not have to. It's me. I have to go, 15 binders is just too many binders. And it was funny because I started out, I didn't want any binders, and now I have 15. So we're retiring 2 binders, but I still have my food binder. I still have my love binder. I still have my Christmas binder. I still have my collab binder. I still have the mermaid challenge that I do every week. Well, no, the collab that I do with Bunny. And I still have, I'm missing a binder. The Fred Flintstone binder is still out there. There's probably more binders I can't even think of right now. Oh, my savings challenge binder where I just have all savings challenge. So I just had too much little small amounts all over the place. And I was like, okay, let's at least close one binder out. So you saw I was able to take $260, and now I have $800 and something. So there you go. Woo! I saw that a win. That's a win for me. All right, guys, that's all I have for today. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. And if you like this video and want to see more videos, please like, comment, and subscribe to Budget for Success. Bye for now. Love you guys.